2006 F250 Lariat FX4, 210,000 miles. A lot of miles, but got a brand new transmission, still under warranty. Remote start. Got a little bit of damage right there, the gray area. That's about it. Beautiful truck. Got the auxiliary switches, trailer control. Got the chip in it, head studs, EGR delete, lift kit, 18-inch Toyo Open Country MTs. Got the toolbox with the bed liner. I got a spare diesel tank under the toolbox. A little messy, but you can see it down there. $15,000.